Hey guys, welcome back to Wolverine Gaming, and today is Monday, first day of Alliance Duel OVS. So we're gonna check out what we're gonna do today on Monday tasks. So this Monday tasks are often permanent. As you can see, they are fixed for Monday. So if you plan to get score, then you can check out in advance. Like on Monday, you can use stamina, complete radar task, use hero exp, use drone battle data points, drone parts, and you can send your troops to gather food, iron, or coins. So I have already made my preparations yesterday. I sent all my troops to gather these food, iron, and coins, and I make sure that they finish after 7:30 server reset. Okay, so that will grant me points. And as you can see, I already opened my chests right now. Two to three chests were opened before I started my day because of my preparations. And you can also save your exp for uh, today and the day after tomorrow, or like you can save your radar tasks. I had saved radar tasks up to 35 I can save, so I have used some of them, I have completed them, but a few are left. So let's get started. And like this, you can save your radar task from previous 1 or 2 days up to your capability. Like I can save 35, so I will save 35 and more, and so that I can get benefit to complete them on Monday. So you can see we getting points for completing it, and you can also keep them on a raid by completing before, but I will suggest to not do that frequently, because you can also get points for completing before and after. Okay, when you send your troops to complete it, you will get points, and after red dot you will also get points. So you can see like I will now quick perform, and you can see we improved our score, and now it's finished. And all finished tasks also give you plus points. Okay, so keep them without red dot. The natural ones can be kept as it is, but the ones who can't complete naturally or without assistance, then keep it them for Monday morning. And you can see we are already done our part, and I will wait for after 6 hours to get more radar task for points. Okay, so I will complete all the radar tasks for now, and you can see our score is moved to sixth box right now. It's 2174514. And I will we have also used our stamina in this process. We completed radar task. We can use exp, but I'm not gonna use because my opponent is like 50-50, and it's for only 1 point. So I will save it for like age of science, sorry, train heroes. On this day I will get benefit for it, so I'm gonna save some of it. So let's use one drone data battle point and drone parts. So we'll go to the drone parts, and as you can see we got lots of drone data in here, but I will use it wisely. Like I can go till 75 today, and I will save it for other day, like next Monday. If the opponent is tough, I will use all this but if not, then I will save some for next Monday maybe. So let's see how far we can go. And now we can use our drone parts and we can get lots of points for that. So I'm gonna complete only 75 level and then leave it for Monday. So that's it guys, we got our drone to 76 and critical ability is also finished. And now we'll open those two boxes, three actually. You can see they give huge points and I almost near to ninth box, that is around 72000 points, and we'll go to like hero exp points, or maybe we can wait for 6 more hours and get those points and complete the ninth box. And for example, I will upgrade my some hero
Back in my
to
youth,
get the
I was
points.
quite the charmer.
Like you can see, we can use exp to upgrade and
Commander, up for a friendly
you
competition?
can save it for the next day. So see, my ninth box has been opened and we got lots of good rewards and score is almost like 50-50. So I will see till the 7:30 server time, and if we are leading then I will not use the rest of my resources, but if we are losing then I will use my resources to pull back the win. So as we can see points ranking, some of our teammates on top and I am also on like fourth. So you can see this is a day one, Monday, for 1 point, and you can check your alliance rank in here, like daily rank and weekly rank. So right now we are leading by almost 3%, but this can be changed, so we need to put lots of efforts in this. And as I said, you can prepare in advance like base expansion. You can save your construction speed up for tomorrow, and also if you are uh, increasing building power, open the boxes tomorrow after finishing it, and you can dispatch your trade truck 1 times tomorrow, perform on legendary secrets. You can save your survivor tickets for tomorrow. Like these preparations, advanced preparations, give you lots of points. And make sure you are upgrading your tech centers alliance duel option. So you can see I'm almost 92% done, and when I will uh, max it, then I can get more points out of low contribution. Okay, so that's it for today guys. I hope this video helps you. Then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates.